Good morning, students. Today we'll be learning chapter 4. Already my colleague have completed chapter 3. I hope you are all healthy enough. Concentrate in this chapter. It is much easier. Already we have learned in polynomials chapter about quadratic word, the word quadratic. So let us recall all the things. It first of all in polynomials. First of all, we understand the polynomials types. First was linear polynomial, which is ax plus b form. Example is 3x plus 4. This is a linear polynomial. Okay. Even after I'm telling quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. This was 3x square plus 4x plus 2. Again a quadratic polynomial. And similarly cubic polynomial is there, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. And again similarly example over here with degree. Okay, so all these are polynomials because they are not equal to 0. Polynomials is means degree according to degree, and it is not equal to 0. Okay, if you observe the degree over here is 1, it is linear. Degree highest, the highest degree is 2, it is quadratic. And if the highest degree is 3, it is cubic polynomial. The same thing, if I write this equal to 0, then this will become linear equation, because we are able to get a value of x. If I am writing 3x plus, if I am writing only 3x plus 4, I cannot get any value of x. But if I am writing equal to 0, it becomes equation, linear equation. It means I can get the value of x. X is orally you can say x will be minus 4 upon 3. It means equations will give you answers. Similarly in quadratic equation, this is the same thing, you will write equal to 0. Then this will become quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay, similarly cubic equation. Now I will discuss more in quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. A tip, or we can say a suggestion, whenever you have a question of quadratic chapter, always convert the sum in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. Automatically you will get the answers. Okay, and in this a, b, c are all real numbers. It can be any real number. Okay, where a is not equal to 0. Already you know why a should not be equal to 0. If a will be 0, the equation will be not quadratic. It will convert into linear equation. Okay, so in this first exercise 4.1, we'll discuss only by solving by checking is it a quadratic equation or not a quadratic. In this chapter, for solving quadratic equation, we will learn two methods. First is, already you know, splitting the middle term. Already you are familiar. In 9th standard you have learned and done more practice, and the new formula already someone might be knowing it. The new formula is quadratic formula. The new one more method is, so two methods we will be doing in quadratic equation. The first method is splitting the middle term, and second is quadratic equation. One more method is there, completing square method, but it is not in our portion. Okay, so I will be not discussing this method. Okay, so now we will be discussing few questions from the exercise which will help you to understand. First question in exercise is, and one very important note, I will be sending you the Ncert textbook link, and most of you might know how to check the textbook online. So I'll be solving all questions of almost all question of Ncert. So I believe you keep your Ncert textbook with you for solving and understanding the question. Now this question 4.1, first question, it is asked, check whether the equation is a quadratic or not a quadratic. Very easy, simply solve it. If the final answer is the degree is 2, it is quadratic. If it is not, then it is any other. You can say directly it is not. So first we can check. First question, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2x minus 3. If you solve this equation, you will obviously get a plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this multiply 2 into x, 2x minus 2 3 is 6. Okay, now if you solve, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. Now I told you in the beginning also, whenever you are solving any question, convert this sum in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. Means every time your solution, the final answer should be in this form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and this is not in the same form. So how to convert it? Everything, the right hand side should be shifted over here, so it will come into equal to 0 form. So x square plus 2x plus 1, this plus 2x will shift it minus 2x, and minus 6 will come here, plus 6 equal to 0. Now if you solve it, x square plus 2x minus 2x cut and plus 7. Now this is in the form of this ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. X square plus 7 equal to 0. The final answer has degree 2. Therefore, yes, it is quadratic. By this, most of you might have understood what to do in this exercise, and all word problems I will do at last, so don't do word problem now, only the solving part will do in the beginning. So yes, there are total 8 questions in this exercise. First question I've solved. I will solve one more. Let us see, or 1 or 2 questions. Let us check the third one. Again, it's easy. I believe most of you might not require, and I suggest if you have understood, start solving all the questions on your own. Okay, and those who have doubts can follow the video. First term into whole term, x into x plus 1 and minus 2 into x plus 1. Second term into first term into whole term and second term into whole term. This everything you have done in 9. Here also x into whole term and second term into whole term. Simple multiplication. Now x square, x1 is x minus. Here also multiply 2x minus plus minus x square plus 3x, again multiply minus x. Whenever minus sign will change, minus 3. So if you can check x square and x square, if this x square will come over here, this will go minus x square, so x square and x square will get cut. Now if I can easily find, the equation does not have degree 2. Okay, so definitely this will be not a quadratic, because your degree 2 is not there, it is cut, not a quadratic equation. You can solve ahead or you can stop here, both will be correct. Minus x minus 2 and here 2x minus 3, you solve it and write it in equal to 0 form. Okay, I will discuss one more question. Let us say from this, you can see one more question from here. I'll discuss the last question, or we can say 7th one. In this, you have to solve x square minus 4x square minus x plus 1 as it is. Now a minus b whole cube formula. What is formula of a minus b whole cube? Or we can say, if you don't remember formula, I can remember formula of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula is what? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. For a plus b whole cube, this is the formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Similarly in this also, space is less, I am writing it down. So here a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. I usually do this method so students understand, this is a, this is b. I have written the formula of a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is a, this is b. So a, b, a, b, a and b. And if you solve it, if you are getting quadratic or not, check x square minus 4x square minus x plus 1, x cube minus 2 whole cube is minus 8, because minus 2 raised to odd number is minus, and plus minus minus plus, multiply plus minus minus, so minus 6x square minus to even number is plus, so 2 square is 4, 4th is a 12x, and minus square is plus, so it will become plus, because first you have to solve bracket, minus square is plus, so plus it is. Now if you observe, don't solve ahead, the degree of this, the highest degree of this equation is 3, so it is not quadratic, because highest degree, name the equation, if the degree is 3, then it is cubic equation. Still x square is there, but the highest degree is, you have to check. If the highest degree is not 2, then directly write it is not quadratic. If you want, you can solve ahead and write in the last form if any like term, but if you can also stop here, because you have to find whether it is quadratic or not quadratic. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you.